Wednesday, 12th of June 2019. A cool, breezy day to go for a ride. Just adjusted the Triumph T120's drive chain, and now I have to go for a test drive and see how it goes. The weather's a little windy, so I get to wear my leather jacket. As you can see, it's very overcast. It's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. That would equate to about 18 or 19 degrees centigrade. But that's fine. I don't mind. As long as it's not 110 degrees, I'm good. About to go park at Buckrow Beach and recheck the chain after I just timed it. I know you guys can't see, but it's a very windy, wavy day out on the sea. So I've checked the chain tension, it all seems pretty good, and now it's time to leave. As you can hear, it's pretty windy. And here we bally well go. Leaving the car park at Buckrow Beach. Just going to go out of here, take it nice and easy. A lot of gravel on the road, so I don't want to fall on my face. Going to turn right. There's somebody sitting over there with these 650 Kawasaki Vulcan. Must be a new rider. I don't think he knows what he's doing. Well, that's bad. Let's go. So I stopped here to reposition the front-facing camera to the rear-facing, just as an experiment, see what happens. So I dismount, disconnect the camera, and then reposition it on the back. So as you can see here, it's now on the back parcel rack. Let's see how this looks. I may or may not do this again. Got two views here of me turning right onto Old Buckrow Road. I just wanted to see how the comparison was with the front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera. Interesting views. I did the same here as we turn into Valeray Drive. Two views. I had the other view, were a lot shorter though. And that's the end.